All right. If you're following along, you're doing great. We have covered a lot in this lesson. And forgive me, but I can't resist showing you one more somewhat advanced technique at this point because I want to be able to link those images to my agent pages as well as the name. And that requires just a couple more steps. So once again, let's go back to Edit Templates, our item template. And this time, I want you to delete the image icon. I know we dragged that hyperlink in there and created it, but bear with me here. Delete the image icon. If you can't do it with the backspace, just select it and hit the delete key. Now, again, I want to drag in a hyperlink control. So from the toolbox under Standard, drag in the hyperlink control. Again, choose Edit Data Bindings. Under Bindable Properties, we first want to choose Image URL and Bound to Photo. And in Format, we need to specify the path to that photo. So basically, we're recreating what we first did when we just placed the image there. Next, we want to choose Navigate URL. This is what sets our link. We want to bind that to ID. And in Format, again, we want to type each_agent.aspx question mark which_agent equals curly bracket 0 curly bracket. When you do this, you're actually binding two database fields to one control in order to make it possible for the image to display and link to another place. So let's click OK. And we now have our element in place, but when we did that, we lost our left alignment. So you need to select it one more time. Make sure you don't have this open. You've got that hyperlink selected, and we want to apply image left. Now let's save this page and see if all of that worked. Preview in a browser. And looks the same, but let's see. Voila! Our agent page can be linked to from the name or from the image. Well done. We've covered a lot of ground in this lesson. If you're following along with all of that, you're doing really great. But if you're not, don't panic. You'll get more chances to work with these tools in the next lesson, when we'll create very similar pages for our listings with a few variations, just to keep it interesting.